Oh my goodness, it just jumped over $7. This is the Meerkat Inn with Grok Trade, here to show you a trade from the Grok Trade day trading chat room. Let's take a look here at the BCRX. Here's what it looked like in pre-market, and it had to run up here in a bull pennant right here, dropped out of that, and then it was an asymmetrical triangle right here at opening, and it was up 30% for the day. So here it was. As soon as it opened up, boom, it went up, and then did a bull pullback. Boom, it went up on big volume. Look at that. Pulling back again. We're calling this a bull pullback. So let's take a look here at bull pullbacks in our free chart school. That's right, at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Just go chart school right there, and we go to these bullish patterns here to a bull pullback or pullback buy. And we click on that right there, and here it is. This is what it looks like. It runs up and it pulls back. Again, it's run up over 30% here in pre-market on this particular case, and it's pulled back here, and as it starts to roll up, odds are in our favor. It's going to continue that way. That's when we want to get long. You can read about it here, and here's some examples of it here. These white ones are from daily charts. These are, each candle is worth 1 day, and here's one in the black. That is actually a 1-minute chart from a day trade. You can see where it actually did 3 different pullbacks there. It's in one right now. But let's go back here to BCRX and get set my order right here. If it breaks that level, I want to be long. And what happens is boom, boom, boom. Look at that sucker go all the way up here to 670. So this is going to be my stop here now. I'm in at $6.40 long here on BCRX, bringing up my stop now that it's all the way up there. 30 cents. That's way up there. Put my stop here in the money here at about 645 for the moment. These are some big candles with a huge range on them. So let's see what happens next here. So now it's going up and down, up and down. So I went in, I took out half here because it was getting so volatile here. I took out half at 657 for 2.6% on that first half, right up to there. Now I'm going to change my stop to just half the number of shares, and now that it popped back up here and is starting to go higher, I'm going to bring my stop up here to this just under the 660 level and that 8 EMA, and if it snaps back down, I'll be out, but that's okay. It'll be for a nice trade there. Next, boom, 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 here we go, and it rides up here all the way to $7. Look at that, hit its head at $7. Can I bring my stop up here about 680? And again, if it snaps back, I will be out. And again, I'm using this 8 EMA as a kind of a shield against there. These are some really large range candles, folks, so I want to make sure that I'm not cutting the trade off, but then again, I want to lock in some profit as well. So let's take a look here, and again, look at as it broke out, look at the huge volume. That is very, very bullish. And now it broke through $7. Cool, cool, cool. And now look it up here, up to $7.25. All right. So I'm bringing up my stop here, just under $7 here. Is it going to stay above $7? I'm not sure. I don't know. And so it's just starting to come back. So I'm bringing my stop up even further here, right along this 8 EMA here. Just underneath that area there, and let's see what happens next. And it did drop way below $7 there, but it did stop me out at 705 on the second half for 10.1%. Ooh-ah. So let's take a look at this whole trade here. Again, it had some pre-market action in symmetrical triangles, and as soon as it opened up, it did a bull pullback and then another bull pullback. I got in, and when it went really volatile, I took out half to try to lock in some profit, giving me a little bit of room for my stop, and then it just took off here, and it was resting here now right on top of the $7, and I pulled my stop up and got out. Now look at that. After that, it formed another bull pennant here. So this total trade then was for 6.35% in 18 minutes. Whoo, doggies, that was our biggest trade of the day. And then what happened after that? Well, it just kind of stayed along that $7 area for quite a while, and then later started to move, and we had several more trades on it. In fact, this was just one of 10 trades that we had in the Grokstar room this morning, and it was trade number 3 here on our trade login, 6.35%. Now, again, today was an unusual day in that we have 6 out of 10 called trades for a 60% success rate right at our target, and we did make 8.15% with a target. We have a target of 5, so we exceeded our target for the day. And again, with our model portfolio investing $10,000 per trade, that ends up being about $815 that we would have made in about 2.5 hours worth of work. Pretty good work if you can get it. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that the day I started trading with composure as my only emotion was the day I became a winning trader, period. Good advice here, Tony. Trade well.